This is just going to be fun and simple. This pattern is 323 Ellie's Shirred Cowl top. So I did this a little bit ago and I did it just like the pattern. Okay, so we're going to do a couple changes. And why? Because it's just so much easy and so much fun. And I had a customer come and want a few different things. So I thought, okay, I showed her, I could show everybody, and you just get more use out of it. And then we're going to use this fabric that's just incredible. And it's one of the new fabrics that we had in our live sale. So it's going to be just a win-win. Okay, so number one, we're going to take the pattern, Ellie's Shirred top. It's a fit to stitch pattern. It's on fittostitch.com. It's pattern number 323, number one. But a lot of you have it. So that's why, you know, it's a great pattern. All right, so then we're going to make two changes. And the changes she wanted to make, we're going to show you on this, this first, is she wanted the neckline lower and she wanted it to be more cowly, more fullness through the top, through the front. So there's two changes you're going to do. And if you look at this, you're going to take and move the front away from the fold. And if you notice you're moving just the top away, you're going to see there's a line there. You're going to move just the top. You're going to pivot it away from the center, from the fold, and then you're going to cut it down. And you'll look, when you look at the pattern, you'll see exactly what I'm saying. You're going to go down 3 inches. And if you notice, instead of the cowl starting up at the base of your neck now, it's lower and the fullness goes all throughout. It's just fun and easy. And you know, when you're dealing with a cowl, you can play with it lots of different ways. Okay, that's step one, is to change the pattern. Step two is I decided I wanted to use fabric 7203. This is a fabric that we had Tuesday night in our live fabric sale. It's a panel, and this is what it looks like. And while I love it, I really love the pink and the white. So in between the panels, there's this pink and white. It's like where it's right in between. It's the edge of this and this. If I had two panels up here, you'd see what I did. I folded it there, and that's where I put the fold of the pattern, the fold of this cowl. So I got the pink and the tie-dye running through the middle, and then the rest is the rest of it. And I just love it because it darkens the rest of it and lightens the front and shows off the cowl. Okay, so fabric 7203, you'll need 2 panels. You can get a third one just to be safe if you want, but you'll need at least 2 panels. Watch the stretch. It's more one way than it is another way, so you can be careful as to how you turn your pieces. And then fold it right in the middle of the panels and put the fold of the fabric on that, and then work the rest of it. Now I had to, I'm going to show you the front of this. Here's a photo of the front, and you can see the cowl is lower, and then it's more, it goes farther down than the original pattern. And then number 2, the second picture, you can see the back. Now, because of the way it worked out, I had to put a center back seam. So on mine, I have a center back seam, no big deal. You know, I just added 3/8 and, you know, serge that before I start everything else. It's not on the fold. And then number 3, I just wanted to show you a side view. Okay, so that's it. It's easy, it's fun, it is happy sewing. This is 100% viscose. It's a wonderful fabric. It feels amazing, and it'll be perfect for spring and summer. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.